Wow.
It's dark. I can't see you. I know. Good? Nice.
And you make me want to say, I love you better today than yesterday. Every day is gonna play out the same.
Holly really don't have a party anymore. This is her first party. Like inviting friends. Because Zachary and DJ, they had a big party. Molly never had.
Rod never had a big party.
Never.
Because we were always away for years.
Ah, that's right.
From the heart. Wrinkles and grays, don't be alarmed. Because you're safe with me. The beautiful signs of our story so far. So far. Both called it from the beginning. We called it. We knew that there had to be us. Knew that there had to be us. Do what we gotta do to stay winning. Some fights will keep trust. And you make me wanna say, I love you better today than yesterday. And every day is gonna play out the same.
Is it Cora?
Cora, yeah, Cora. Tinutulungan ako ni Auntie Mel. Ayun, nilalagay niya na yung chicken nuggets sa air fryer. And siya rin nag-cut ng fruits. Ito na yung ating sausage rolls. And ito, request to ni Holly. Very famous yan sa mga party dito. Party ng mga bata. Famous yan. Fairy bread. Is it right, Auntie Mel? Fairy bread. Ayan na yung table natin, guys. And meron pa ako dun sa oven. Yan, si Auntie Mel na nito ang nag-cut ng pineapple. So, yan. So, malapit na tayo, guys, na matapos. Then, maglilinis na ako ng kitchen. Oh, yung hotdog yun. Yung hotdog yun. Sana hindi shaky, guys. And parang ang dilim natin, no? Kaya may pa-ring light ako dito, guys. O, para maliwanag. Kasi yung iba, sabi, ang dilim daw. Hindi ko alam kung paano, guys. So, yan, mapapa-bright. Oh, may ito, wait lang. Meron ng isang kaibigan si Georgia. Nakita nyo na yun sa ibang vlog, yung bata. And, meron pa kami hinihintay. Dalawa pa. So, ito yung hotdog. Wait lang. And then, yung chicken, nasa air fryer pa. And after nito, meron pa tayo dito. Ilalagay sa air fryer. And maghuhugas na ako. The tent?
Yeah,
Wow.
one more under there.
Oh, yung tent. Yung tent nila nandun na sa labas. Sinetap na ni Johnny Boy. So, dito ko na lang ilalagay yung ating food. Nakita nyo na yan. O, di ba? Madilim na naman. So, yung food dito yan sa loob. Tapos, kakain sila dun sa labas. Kasi si John, inayos niya na yung table doon. Tapos, may tent doon. Mama, lalabas tayo para makita nyo yung tent ni Holly doon. Holly, Sophie is calling you. Ayan si Georgia. Hi, Baba.
Life right now is a movie. Yeah, wish the soundtrack was groovy. Too bad I'm frustrated, I'm moody. Yeah, just need a happy ever after. Guess this was kind of fun when it all started going down. Walking around in PJs, nap on the couch.
Yeah, so I'm comfortable.
All day spending time inside the house. Here I am, face mask every day. The way this year is turning out, a Michael Bay cliche. We used to see all this on Netflix, cheesy action flicks. Now you and me are living in it, 'cause life right now is a movie.
Ayan na yung food ni Holly Girl. And ayan yung cake. Yeah, wait, yeah.
I'm having a house party, not staying up till morning. Sleep then I watch a movie.
Empty now? Oh, wala na. Okay. Wala nang laman yung tank para sa, ano sa ni Holly, balloon. Ayan, kainan time. What do you want? Yes. Work it out. There's sauce there, okay? Don't double dip daw, sabi ni Sak. Ayaw naman nila pumunta sa labas. Nandun yung table nila. Pero okay lang naman. Is that your dad, Sophia? Is that your dad? Huh? Don't touch the cake, Sak, ha? I know! For Auntie Mel. Ginilid namin yung mga upuan doon. Andun yung mga upuan. Mga balloons. Andito. O, diba? Oh, may Coke sila sa labas. Okay, you can drink your Coke there. Enjoy your food. Okay.
Are you 6 already? You're all 6.
Enjoy, Baba. Ayan, dito sila. Wala, hindi nakapunta yung isa. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Pero nag-confirm siya nung ano kay John. Pero hindi rin nakapunta. So sila lang. 4 sila. Tapos si Sophie.
Guys, all of us smoke.
Yeah, I feel it all.
Yung dalawang boys. Umalis na pala yung friend ni Kuya kasi may pupuntahan din yun. Where's your friend going?
Home. Home to watch.
I thought they're going to...
They're going somewhere
Yeah, they're going somewhere.
to watch the grand final.
Yeah. Oh, grand final kasi ngayon ng ano,
I'm
footy.
watching it.
You're watching? Who are you going with?
Geelong.
Geelong. How about you, Auntie Mel?
Geelong.
Geelong. Versus Sydney, right?
Oh, Christine's ringing.
Is it versus
Sydney.
Sydney. Okay, wait lang, guys.
And then when we got home, Jen goes, we didn't even have the kids sleep over. Like, the kids couldn't sleep over because there was 2 bedrooms.
Yeah.
We didn't even... But it was good.
I love it.
We enjoyed it.
We do. John said, when are we going back? After fishing? Tapos na silang kumain and yung tent, ayun, kumulaps na yung tent. May patent tayo dyan eh. Tapos balon. Di man lang natin na kuha ng picture. Kuya, can you stand up tent, please? The tent.
Birthday!
Say thank you. Ayan. Kumawa.
What is, she got a tennis racket, Uncle Joe, Brad?
You like tennis, do you?
Yeah.
What else do you like?
Dress
Dress,
and bows.
You like dress?
and bars.
And you got a unicorn picture?
I've even got a unicorn picture, even us fidgets and squishies.
Wow.
What?
All your friends there?
Are your friends here?
Yes.
Oh, you having fun?
Yes.
No, I have to come see you soon.
Bye-bye.
Have fun.
And you want to...
Yung tent. Ayan na yung tent. May balloons yan. Wala na. Can you get my phone, please? My phone.
I'm so bored of going to all the sweaty clubs. I'm just gonna order takeout and chill on my couch, yeah. I'm not looking at my phone. Won't text back, pick up your call. If you wanna hit me up, well, I don't really care. 'Cause I'm having a house party. Not staying up till morning. Sleep, then I watch a movie. I do what I want.
Ito naman sila.
I'm having a house party, and no one else can join me.
Look at me, Holly.
Just gonna keep it low key. I do what I want, yeah,
Look at me.
I'm having a house party. I don't feel like talking, I just wanna hang with you.
And yung isa nandito sa trampoline.
Wait, do you want to go in this way now?
Thinking my life on the internet.
Do your legs, Baba. Just careful, just be careful.
I'm not looking at my phone. Text back, pick up your call. If you wanna hit me up,
Careful. Yeah. Yeah, Cora's not
I
here.
can't have the party bag.
You can have the party bag, that's right. Kasi wala siya. Kinuha niya lang talaga yung mga friends niya. No, that's Holly. Careful here, ha? Careful. Is it good? Yeah. Dito naman sila sa loob. Niro-roast nila yung marshmallow sa what you call that? Sa fireplace. Careful ha, just be careful not to burn yourself. Andito yung mga balloons. Just wait for Zachary. Are we gonna sing happy birthday?
Oh, yeah.
Una ng candle si Holly. Andun sila, oh. Andun sila. Tinitingnan nila yung lolly bags. So, nilagyan ko na ng candles, yung cake ni Holly. And, ayan, gamit na gamit. Gamit na gamit. Ilang araw na, diba? Ilang beses na pala yan nagamit. So, ano na sila? Magsising na sila ng happy birthday kay Holly. Okay, where are you gonna stand, Baba?
Here.
There.
I can't both.
Okay.
Alright.
Put it down, Kuya. Okay. Sing.
That space.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Holly. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Hooray. Hooray.
Bobby.
Okay. Make a wish.
Yeah.
Yay! Happy birthday, Baba.
In the wrong spot.
What?
So she can blow again.
Yeah. Okay, who wants cake? That's yummy cake. That's really yum. Baba, one at a time, Baba. One at a time, please.
Me and TJ, we gonna share a party bag.
Kasi mayroong isa hindi nag-attend. Okay, gotta cut the cake. Baba, you have to cut the cake. Yeah.
Oh yeah, Holly.
I don't want any cake.
Don't ya?
I don't want cakey.
No, why not?
I want cake. I don't feel hungry. I ate all of
I've
them.
tried that.
What's that?
Hi.
Yes, I'll buy.
What?
Good.
I love Chinese cookies.
I know. That's the best, isn't it?
Pick one up. I found a
You never made
That's
a
fine.
so you've never made a teppanyaki
Oh, that's
Okay.
Chinese.
where they cook in front of you.
No,
Oh, that's so very good.
John will like that.
Never
Okay,
made it.
excuse me, Baba. I'm
Where?
just gonna have Holly.
Gold Coast, when you're up there, you're up
There's one in
there.
Adelaide. There's one down Boucher Street.
Alright.
First time I ever made was over there, and we went that
Yeah,
way.
you don't have a
Prawns and that.
Actually, I do.
Unbelievable.
You want cake?
They light all the fire up
I
in front
want
of you
one with a
and
raspberry on it.
flick bits of food at you and eggs and
Baba.
shit.
There's one in Baguio.
Raspberry.
We went to one in Baguio.
Okay, Mommy will do it now. Okay, Mommy will do it
No,
now.
what? Shall we
What do you want?
Okay.
Do you need that cake thing?
Yeah, where is Auntie Ma?
I feel like I'm floating.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, happy birthday.
Wait, Dad, what's this?
Lovely cake,
It's yours, Holly. Where's your
No, we
plate?
haven't all them.
That's Holly.
Robbie Williams is singing. Get a TV on.
Okay.
Hey, Woogers.
Who's next?
Have you got bloody
You,
plastic
okay.
spoons, right?
Have you got
Yeah.
spoons, Chona?
Yeah, yeah.
This is yours.
So how long were you in the States for?
A month.
How about
Darwin a month before I worked for like 2
Oh,
months.
hell.
Oh, wait, Baba.
I had the chicken.
Obviously, you
Oh, yeah,
got
that's
Oh, all that was all, the whole
You want some,
thing was
Sophie?
40 bucks.
Yes, please.
I've heard that before.
what?
That cake.
Okay, Sophie.
I'm taking the rest of your sponge home for Uncle Jay's.
Yeah, that one. The one I...
Yeah. I might have to take some of this too for him.
Yeah.
Who doesn't want the raspberry?
No, I'm just removing it. Who's next? You.
I'll give it a go.
Jeez, that's a small vibe.
That's alright, that's enough.
You can go back.
Daddy!
I'm next.
You want cake, love?
Grab a spoon.
Hi, Daddy. Happy cake.
Wait, Dad, can I have a try yours?
Nah, didn't want to.
Oh, I don't know what I need to float this.
I've tried to make these heaps of times and never done it.
You want to try?
I'm not a very good baker.
I can bake, but I can never get them to work out. Always break. Which roll thing you?
Very good.
You like it, Mel?
Yeah, I'm having it.
Yep.
Who's next?
Who
We'll
wants
have to
cake?
put in requests for Christmas for dessert.
Yeah, I can make this.
Maybe you just do desserts this year.
Yeah, I'll do all
A
dessert.
whole table of desserts.
This.
Go ahead.
Daddy will eat it. Oh, you're done.
Going on here. Put it close up.
Sophie,
How do you cook like that?
really good.
How do you cook like that?
You have to learn from me. So, yan yung itsura ng ating Swiss roll chocolate cake. Magdadala si Auntie Mel.
Mom, we need presents.
Oh yeah, you can open your gifts now, Holly. Ayan, magbubukas na siya ng mga regalo.
Very special gift from Sophie. Sophia.
Sophia. Aww. And may... Oh, sinabi niya na. That's... Wow, that's nice.
It's really makeup. And he's
Oh, you got two. Thank
And
you.
there's two in there.
Oh, there's two in there.
We got three.
Oh, so she's so lucky. Wow. Thank
Oh,
you.
there's gonna go slime out there.
But what you gonna say?
Can I hold some slime?
Yes. Good job. Thank you. And that's for Georgia.
I even gave her some flowers.
Yes, you gave her flowers. And may dala rin siyang cookies. Hindi natin naisama. Ang ganda ng cookies na binake ng mommy niya.
Georgia, have a great day and lots of fun with your friends.
Thank you. Holly, say thank you.
Thank you. This is so nice. You like it. You can
Oh.
make your own soap.
Oh.
I got my
Yay! You can make your own soap.
I have that too.
You had that. Wow, you can make your own soap, Baba. Dito na sila sa labas. Lalaruin na ni Holly yung regalo sa kanya ng mga kaibigan niya.
Yeah, I want
What's that one? The makeup one?
my own. Because
Nah.
I might have to.
Sophie will do yours, Holly.
Nag-makeup na sila.
I want pink lipstick.
I Okay, I reckon
You want makeup sack?
I want to do the slime.
Do you want me to do nails? Do my nails.
No, and then all the friends will be.
Ayan yung makeup. Oh. Sana hindi shaky, guys.
Are you allowed to wear nail polish?
Yeah.
Okay. You allowed to wear it to school?
Yeah. Okay.
Manicure,
that is not
pedicure,
working,
makeup.
So we don't have to do that color on your face.
Ah, okay. Nandito si Tin. Ayan.
Uncle Jay's,
This
not
is-
Annie Mel.
Yeah, this is for Uncle Jay's. Kaya, dalhan niya raw ng cake. Ayan yung kay Kuya, tapos kay Holly. You sure, Uncle Jay's?
Yes, it is Uncle Jay's. I had mine today.
Yeah. Yun na lang yung cake na titira. Tinarang ko siya ng konti kasi gusto niya. You look so pretty. Who did your makeup? Si Holly. Holly did it. Yes. Oh, diba? Ang ganda. You look so pretty.
And she said I look like a monster.
Andito na pala. Andito na si Tin. Hi, guys. Is bold star means?
A monster?
A monster. Ah, okay. That's so. You don't look like a monster. You're so pretty to be a monster. Nandito po yung makeup artist nila. Wow, Georgia.
You're weird sort of deal.
No. What are you doing, Baba? Who did your makeup?
I done Sophie's makeup.
How about you? Who did yours?
Sophie.
Sophie.
She thinks it's beautiful.
They thought it was wicked. I'm like, nah, this
I have to do that.
Oh.
I have to get the color.
Yeah. Baba, wipe your nose.
Get a tissue for me.
Look at their makeup.
I know. I know.
What?
Pa ni Georgia.
I need the patty bag because I'm going.
Yeah, they're going soon. Ayan. Kunin niya na yung party bag niya.
Until 5 o'clock. So I'm not going home.
Yeah.
Georgia.
See, about Georgia. Give it to Georgia now.
Where's the bubble gum? At the bottom. I got purple one. I have to still.
Got your bubble gum?
Bubble gum?
Yes, that's the bubble gum, Baba.
Bubble gum.
Ayan yung makeup niya, oh. Nice makeup, Baba. My God, look at you.
How do we open it?
Inis na pala ako, nakahugas na ako. And ayun yung ginawa kong crepes na, ayun, nandoon. Mamaya ro kainin nila kuya yan with Nutella. Yun naman tayo ang plano kaso wala tayong oras kanina. And kami ng aking Americanong friend. Inano ko siya kasi yung buhok niya ba pangkana.
Kana.
At
saka, naka-eyeglasses pa.
Naka-glasses pa. Eto, Doritos with salsa and Twiggy. Ayan. So, dito lang kami. Malinis na yung kusina. And yung mga bata nasa labas, pero pabalik-balik sila. Kinukuha nila yung mga tira-tira nila dyan ng mga lollies, pasties, dami pang pasties. Yeah. Ayan si Kuya.
Sunday.
Yeah, I know. That's what I thought.
like we have school tomorrow.
I know. And yung grand final, wala. Talo yung Sydney. Diyan lang yung mananalo. Yung cookies dito, guys, na bigay nung friend niya. Yung pumunta dito si Sofia. That's her name, right?
Yeah.
Sofia. Gawa ng mami niya. Ang ganda, oh. Ayun, nakalagay dito, happy birthday. Tapos may pangalan ni Holly, oh.
Holly, you want the big one that says
Ayan,
your
ang
name?
ganda, oh.
Yeah.
Oh, it smells
Holly.
good too.
Yeah.
Where does it say my name?
There.
Can I grab one?
Holly, yes, of course. Tapos may ganyan, oh. Nakapagod ka ito gawin.
What's this one say?
What?
Birthday girl.
Dalawang box na ganito ang binigay niya. Oh, di ba? Okay, thank you. Yeah, it's so nice of her. Good? Tingnan mo ang itsura niya. Oh. Minake-upan siya ni Sophie. Let me see your eyes. Close your eyes. Oh, wala na.
Ay.
Yan pa siya. Dito pa yung aking kana na friend. Update, 7 o'clock. Ang dinner ng mga bata, tsaka ni Dion ay spaghetti. May tira pang spaghetti. So, eto na yung dinner nila. Si Tin,
Who's that one?
sausage rolls.
Sophie's.
Ay, no, kay Dion din pala yan.
It's full. You drink it.
Ayan sila. Kumakain na sila ng spaghetti. Si Holly, busog na busog pa rin ang ating baby girl. Oh, you're done already, yeah. How is that, Dion? Good.
Yeah, good.
Good, okay. Very tasty. Oh, thank you, love. Very tasty daw. How about you, Zach? Good. Dessert na si Kuya, guys. Ito yung ginawa kong crepes. Ayan. Dessert. Pang dessert man talaga to nila. Hi, Holly girl. Lagyan to ni Kuya ng Nutella. Sarap nito. Ayan. Fresh. Oh. Yes. So, ito na yung kay Kuya.
We can have banana in it.
I know you want, Zach. Si Kuya ayaw niya.
I want strawberries. Can I have strawberries?
There's no more strawberries. Finish.
More blueberries.
Blueberries, yes.
Oh, I want
yeah.
blueberries on
I
my
thought there was
You want-
strawberries in that bag.
Alright, okay. Ito yung kay Holly Girl. Meron siyang blueberries and
So
strawberries.
there's none on the other side.
No, because we have to fold Baba like this.
Oh.
Oh.
Thank you.
Have you got girlfriend?
Thank you very much, sir.
I think Zach
Well,
Thank you, the best baker.
Wow, thank you. Yeah, I will roll it. This is, kay Saki. Ayan. Si Kuya lang yung walang fruits kasi hindi siya mahilig sa blueberries. Pero siguro nagsawa na rin siya sa strawberries kasi ilang araw na kami nag-strawberries sa kanyang cake. Ayan na.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. Nandun na sila, oh. Si Dion kumakain pa ng spaghetti. Good.
Wait.
Ay. Ooh. Kulang na lang cream.
Did it?
I-close ko na yung vlog, guys, kasi mahaba na tong vlog natin. Kagabi pa yung nag-bake tayo ng cake. And, yun na nga. Ang gagawin ko na lang ay, pag may ganap kami, i-insert ko yung mga updated vlogs. And then, pag walang ganap, yung mga late vlogs ko. So, after nito, back to tayo, guys, yung holiday namin sa
It's called
caravan,
rice.
okay? Sana supportan niyo pa rin yung aming vlogs kahit late na yon kasi marami kayong makikita iba-ibang lugar, iba-ibang activities na ginawa namin. And abangan yung sa Queensland, right, Zach? Okay, thank you guys. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Good night. Say good night, Dion. Say good night. Baba. Baba.
Good night.
Good night. Good night, guys. Hingi pa pala si Holly ng isa pa. Ito na yung pangalawa niya. Oh, diba? There you go.
Thank you.
Welcome. Okay, good night na, guys. Say good night natin.
Good night, everyone.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Good afternoon, guys. Today is September 25, the next day to, guys. It's Sunday. Galing yung mag-ama ko sa Footy Club and mayroon sila dala sa akin. Okay, Kuya, what you got there?
I got first year play for junior colts.
Yeah, my trophy and
medal. And
medal.
And mini colts.
mini coat. Si Zach, what you got, Zach?
The medal, that's all.
That's alright. How about you, Kuya? Let me see. Tingnan nyo naman si Kuya. Oh, naka-engrave dyan yung pangalan niya. Hindi ko lang kung makikita nyo. Pero naka-engrave dyan yung pangalan ni Kuya TJ. Galing naman. Congratulations. Yung dalawa. Oh, congratulations, Zach. Yung uniform nila, what what it says, oh, good job, Daddy. What it says to your jacket, Kuya?
Demons.
Ayan yung kanyang demons.
Goodbye, yeah.
Good night. Come on.
Haggis,
Ega-
fire on.
Come on.
I don't care, Hagger.
Come on.
Come on.
DJ, demons yung nakaprint yan sa kanilang jacket. Can you move here? I will take photos, please.
Oh, you're choking
She's
me.
not.
Smile. Yay.
Say
Hear me when I say let's make a night to remember. Let's celebrate from now till forever. This time we'll make a night to remind us we only have one life, gotta live it out loud. In another time, in another place, we could be lovers that can be replaced. But I still believe this time we got something, something. We paved the way on the other side while making plans to live the good life. But something is better.